So what sets Barrett Solar apart by far is our project management. We are the gold standard in the Midwest as far as project management, quality processes. You know, I have an extensive background in project management. I used to run, you know, over $100 million wind turbine projects doing quality inspections. So tons of experience in project management and, you know, experience turning over, you know, perfect renewable energy projects to customers. So that's by far the number one thing that sets us apart. You know, we're local to the Midwest. We cover the whole state of Kansas and Missouri. And also what sets us apart is we run extremely efficient. Efficiency is one of the number one things that we focus on from top down. You know, so by running efficient, that allows us to be able to give the best prices in solar to our customers so they can get, you know, the fastest return on investment and still maintain the margins that we need to maintain, you know, to run a healthy business. So, you know, that's what sets us apart.